Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to retry tracking on a shipment in Warehance. This is helpful if a tracking update didn't go through to your marketplace the first time. Once you're logged into your Warehance dashboard, go to the Shipments section. Locate the shipment you want to check and look at the Marketplace Notified column to see if it was notified or not. You can also check this by clicking on the order ID and looking under the shipping details to see if Marketplace Notified is marked as true. Warehance automatically retries sending tracking updates every couple of hours, but you can also retry manually. Simply check the shipment and click the Retry Tracking button, and Warehance will attempt to send the update again immediately. You can also retry from the order page. Just click on the order ID, go to the shipping details, select the order number, click Retry Tracking. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can manually resend tracking updates whenever needed. If you have any questions, our support team is always happy to help.